Please note that this video was recorded before Christmas on the 20th of December 2025. If you're wondering why I chose a Christmas wallpaper on the radio and everything else, yeah, it's because of that. Hey guys, it's me, Scorbunny. Welcome to yet another vlog with me. Today, we're gonna do big things. We're going to finally do step 2 of modding my car. Yeah, we're going to change the head unit this time. We're going to change this, the Pioneer DMH A240 DAB, to a Pioneer SPH DA250 DAB, which is a much more advanced radio. Stick along with me because this is going to be a nice vlog, guys. First of all, I desperately need to get some fuel, so yeah, I'm gonna go get some fuel, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later when I get fuel. Okay guys, so we're almost here at the gas station. Let's hope I can get things done quickly because yeah, it's already 2:12, so yeah, I wouldn't want to be late for the thing. What I was meant to say was that this radio is going to be much better than my current one, because if not, why would I be upgrading? What I need on a radio mainly is Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and yeah, better sound quality, because this thing definitely can't get good sound quality. And yeah, I want to get rid of WebLink as much as I can. So yeah, this is gonna go, and new radio is gonna be really good. So yeah, let's hope it is actually good. And yeah, another thing I would need is also changing the wallpaper and the splash screen, which is a thing we're gonna see later because I brought my USB pen drive. Okay, now let's get fuel. Okay, I got the fuel I needed. Let's get the car started. Let's head over to the repair shop where we will get the radio changed. Okay guys, we're just minutes away from giving the car to the repairman so you can install the radio. I already did the ritual. I played the last few good songs on this radio, and we're already... In the end, the car was given back to me 1.5 hours later. Pretty quick, I know. But yeah, as you'll see in the clip, it's already dark outside. Okay guys, good news. It's 5:30 and the new radio is right here and installed. As you can see, a really nice flush screen. We can turn the key and we can see the magic happen. As you can see, it says attention, yeah, this kind of stuff. I'll set it in English as soon as I can. We have this, we have modes, various modes. I'm not gonna bother doing them. You just click here and you go to home. As you can see, you got favorites, you got stuff. As you can see, you got a ton of stuff. I already customized the wallpaper, as you can see. Really interesting, nice wallpaper. There's, as you can see, the thing here, the voice assistant embedded here. Once the phone is connected, best part here is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I'm going to connect it to the camera phone here. As you can see, so as you can see, this is the box for the radio right here. Here it is. Got all the features and stuff. Pretty interesting. Then there it is, our old radio with our old MOSFET, old master adapter. Got all the connection cables, all this shit here, all this stuff. It does everything. This one was great, but that one right there is way better. I gotta say, man. But yeah, let me know what you think on this, because it's a super nice radio, and in my opinion it's a really nice upgrade and modernization to what is probably the best microcar in my whole town right now. So yeah, I guess I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.